They're brand new Hanukkah remote control cars. And Connor trying to chase after it. Go backwards. You can push it the other way and go backwards. Now these cars are supposed to be really good for climbing things.
They are, because I just climbed over that truck. See? It's
It's
climbing.
not about materialism, it's about the laughter and joy. Oh my goodness! He tried to climb over the truck. You know what? These will be great outside, boys. We should take these out. Take these outside one of these days, okay? Harry doesn't quite understand how to steer it. What? What are you trying to do?
What does A do?
A controls Ari's car. Hey, don't.
I'm gonna tell you. No way.
Control your own car. Hey! Stop climbing up me.
That's funny. You're like, stop climbing over me.
Yeah. I'm gonna watch you.
I just put your car down. Okay. What does C do?
That's a different channel.